Finally, the border. I've had to keep moving around, but I think I've shaken them off. No one will get in my way now.
Danzo, you may have managed to escape from that place, but don't think you can run from me. I need you to fight Sasuke for me, and be the fertilizer of his growth. What's this?
By Lord Danzo's order, you may not go any further.
I see. Nicely done, Danzo. You're prepared. Who'd have thought you'd stash Anbu along the border?
That cloak. You must be one of the Akatsuki.
Perfect. If we take care of you here, Lord Danzo will have one less enemy.
To be perfectly frank, I have no desire to fight all of you. But Sasuke's recovery will take a while. All right, I'll fight you until then.
This punk.
If it means whittling away even a few of those who would interfere in the fight between Sasuke and Danzo. Soon all shall know my strength. Tremble before me.
Mission start.
Got this! You won't escape me. Look at me. This is the end. Okay, let's get to it.
Everyone, don't let him get near Lord Danzo.
Right! Prepare yourself, Akatsuki!
So it's all for the sake of Danzo. You pitifully blind fools.
Fire shot! Fireball jutsu!
Entertain me a little.
What exactly is this guy?
Fire shot! Fireball jutsu!
Lay down.
There it is! There it is!
How can this be? My body won't stop trembling.
Got this!
You won't escape me. Look at me. This is the end. I'm looking forward to seeing how long you stick with it.
Fire shot! Fireball jutsu! There it is! There it is!
for Lord Danzo!
There it is! There it is!
Do not let him near Lord Danzo!
That's right. Use your lives to protect Danzo.
There it is! Fire gun! Fireball jutsu!
Now, entertain me some more.
My life for Lord Danzo!
You won't escape me. Look at me. This is the end. There it is!
We will show you our raw power!
There it is! There it is! Fire gun!
So weak.
Fireball jutsu!
I'm disappointed in all of you.
Later! Fire style! Fireball jutsu!
Sasuke's recovery will only take a little longer.
There it is!
Be happy. We still have time left to play.
Play, you say?
There it is! There it is! There it is!
Now, entertain me some more.
There it is! There it is! Fire gun! Fireball jutsu! There it is!
We will show you our raw power!
There it is! Fire gun! Fireball jutsu! There it is!
At least this will kill some time.
There it is! There it is!
My life for Lord Danzo! Use our power to destroy him!
Right!
There it is!
What relaxing chakra. So weak. I'm disappointed in all of you.
Later!
How can this be?
There it is!
My body won't stop trembling.
There it is! I will swallow you whole.
I'm looking forward to seeing how long you stick with it.
There it is! Fire style! Fireball jutsu! There it is!
At least this will kill some time.
There it is! There it is!
Capture him! Capture him at all costs!
Danzo, I can't believe you called forth so many. So weak. I'm disappointed in all of you.
There it is! It's over. There it is!
We will show you our raw power!
Fireball jutsu! Got this! You won't escape me. Look at me. This is the end.
My life for Lord Danzo!
There it is! 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 There it is!
We will show you our raw power!
There it is! Got this! You won't escape me. Look at me. This is the end.
I'm looking forward to seeing how long you stick with it. So, that's all. Sasuke should be just about recovered.
We can't stop yet!
For Lord Danzo, we cannot stop!
I'm surprised. You've brainwashed them to be so obedient. Danzo, you've outdone yourself.
Not a single Akatsuki can be allowed to live!
In fact, playtime is already up, but very well. I'll give you a little extra for free. So weak. I'm disappointed in all of you.
Don't think we're the same as the ones who came before!
No matter who I fight, the outcome will be the same. No matter how powerful you are, you can't touch me. Now, entertain me some more.
You won't escape me. Look at me. This is the end.
My life for Lord Danzo!
I'm looking forward to seeing how long you stick with it.
What?
My life for Lord Danzo!
There it is! What? What?
At least this will kill some time.
What? I will swallow you whole.
How can this be? My body won't stop trembling.
I will swallow you whole. There it is!
At least this will kill some time.
What?
How can this be? My body won't stop trembling.
Fireball jutsu!
We will show you our raw power!
I suppose it's over. They tried hard for weaklings. Overall, an A for effort.
Mission complete.
That should be enough for now. At least I managed to decrease their numbers a little. And Sasuke should just be recovering. Shall we move on to the main event? Danzo, get ready to show me. Your hatred, Sasuke.